All right, so let's talk about volume. So what is volume? So when we talk about finding the volume of a shape, and we're going to focus on the volume of rectangular prisms, volume is the amount of space inside a 3D object. So this definition sounds very familiar to area because area is the amount of space inside, but area is a 2D object. Volume is dealing with a three-dimensional object. So there are two different formulas on how we can find the volume. One formula is volume is equal to length times width times height. Or the other formula for the volume is equal to big B times H. And it's important that we make that big B capital because if it's a lowercase b, that just means base. But if it's this big capital B like this stands for area of the base. So let's look at how we would find the area or the volume of these rectangular prisms over here. So remember our formula, and I'm going to use today the volume is equal to length times width times height. So when I look at my shape here, I need to count how many cubic inches are on the front of my shape. So I have 1, 2, 3. My width is also 1, 2, 3. And then the height of my whole object, or I'm going to go on this side, the height of my whole object is 2. So my volume formula, when I substitute everything in, is I have a length of 3, a width of 3, and a height of 2. So if I do 3 times 3, that would give me 9, times 2 would give me 18. And then our unit for volume is always cubed. So inches cubed or centimeters cubed, but whatever your units is, cubed. All right, looking at this rectangular prism right here, again, I'm going to find my length, which looks like it's 3 again, my width, which is 2, and my height, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So when I write my formula, volume is equal to length times width times height. I'm going to substitute in what I know. So again, length is 3, width is 2, height is 4. So 3, 2, 4. So 3 times 2 would give me 6, times 4 would give me 24. So I get a volume of 24 inches cubed. All right, our next one, I've got a width of 2, a length of 3, and a height of 1, 2, 3. So again, volume is equal to length times width times height. Let's substitute in what I know. Again, I know that my length is 3, my width is 2, and my height is 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, times 3 is 18. And again, inches cubed. And our very last one, I have a length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a width of 2, and a height of 1, 2, 3. So my formula, volume is equal to length times width times height. Substituting in what I know, a length of 5, a width of 2, a height of 3. So 5 times 2 times 3. So 5 times 2 is going to give me 10, times 3 more would give me 30 inches cubed.